Oh, well, hello. My name is Christian, and today I wanted to make a video. And in today's video, I would like to test my Apple Watch Ultra's fall detection. Now, I know that sounds very interesting, but the Apple Watch Ultra, and I think even the Series 8 and even the 7, I think a few of the models also, but I'm specifically testing the more expensive model of the Apple Watch series. I'm trying to see, obviously the fall detection, right? So if you fall down and hit the watch on the ground hard enough, it'll signal that it's about ready to call 911, send an SOS, and give you help, right? If you fall, and of course you can't get back up, right? Or you're knocked out, which is honestly one hell of a feature. So I am just, I set a couple different cameras up, a couple different angles, one over here, one here. So I'm gonna go around, go over to there, that little table, right over there, in between these two chairs. I'm going to intentionally fall on the floor, and we're gonna see how well that this keeps up with the fall. So let's begin. Oh, fuck! Oh. Huh? What the hell happened? What's that noise? What the hell? Oh shit! Hansel, yes. Fucking hurt. Ah, Jesus Christ. Ugh. Alright, well. Whew. Well, I actually hurt a little bit. Worked like a charm. So, as soon as I hit the ground, it took 6, maybe 7 seconds. Snapped into its thing, started to count down. It knew I'd fallen. I'm not doing anything. I'm not moving my wrist. So it's going to start calling 911, or getting ready to. So I would say that was an 8.5 out of 10. Highly recommend this watch, by the way. And the link in the description, I will put the link to buy this, of course, directly from Apple, but I might even find you a deal, post it in the link, click on that, buy it. I highly recommend this. There's all the features, the titanium, the premium design, the wristband, even the stock band. It's just like, it's comfortable, it's not too heavy. It is expensive though. It's $800 plus tax, so it's about $1,000. But I like this more than the original Apple Watches. The Apple Watch Ultra is unique. Couldn't say anything else. But anyway, was it for today's video. Have a good day or a good night. It's like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning. But anyway, everyone have a fabulous time until I see you in my next video.